It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 3rd of August. I'm Michael Groff. After a couple of quiet days around here weather-wise, conditions turning more active for the rest of the weekend, especially by this weekend. Showers and thunderstorms returning to the forecast. We could see some locally heavy rain, along with the potential of a few severe storms along the way as well. Let's get into it here. Looking at the almanac from yesterday, 107 degrees the afternoon high. 89 was the morning low. That's the first time we've seen above normal temperatures for a while. The normal high 106, the normal low 85. And as we look outside right now at 8:45 a.m., mostly cloudy sky around right now. And we're sitting at 93 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 61, relative humidity 34%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. As we look at the weather pattern here across the southwest, high pressure has been in control, and that's kept the mid-levels of the atmosphere fairly warm and stable. Kind of a capping inversion has taken place, and that's why we haven't seen any showers or storms in our part of the state. But we also are seeing an inverted trough emerging out across the west coast of Mexico, and the flow aloft between these two features will become increasingly southerly to southeasterly today and tonight. And that's going to set the stage for better organized showers and storms developing over eastern and southeast Arizona today. And those will move into the lower deserts by this evening and overnight tonight. So we should see a return to showers and storms in the forecast. Here's the watch warning map. We still have heat advisories and some heat warnings from Texas all the way up through the Midwest, parts of Illinois, Michigan, and Indiana. Heat also an issue over parts of Montana today. Rather warm temperatures up there. The Convective Outlook, we've got the standard slight risk of severe storms from St. Louis up to Chicago and Detroit. And here in Arizona, a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk in the areas in the darker green there for south central and southeast Arizona, including the Phoenix area down to Casa Grande, Tucson, Nogales, Douglas, Bisbee, Sierra Vista. And the main threat from thunderstorms this afternoon and tonight will be the potential of some strong, maybe even damaging straight line winds. And of course, that should create blowing dust, so we'll have to watch for that as well. And this outlook runs through 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, and I think the bulk of the activity in our part of the state will come in later this evening and overnight tonight. Here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Rain amounts here in Phoenix between about 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch plus, with 2 to 3 inches possible, maybe even a little bit more than that up along the rim over in eastern Arizona. 2 to 4 inches as well for far southern portions of the state and northwest Mexico, as the weather pattern will turn more active once again. And we'll get into the details of that right now as we explore the models, see what's going on. Here we go. The GFS, this is the 06Z run, and this is valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure sitting off to the east, that weak low pressure off of central Baja, an increasing south to southeasterly flow between those features. So what it means for us down at the surface today, partly sunny this morning, some more sun coming in by this afternoon. Scattered showers and thunderstorms developing over eastern and southeast Arizona today. Isolated storms elsewhere. And so high temperatures 102 to 106 here in Phoenix. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening. More clouds roll in by late evening and overnight. And a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms coming in here. And those storms more than likely would produce some strong winds and some blowing dust. But a few of you could see some rain as well. And overnight lows mostly in the upper 70s to middle 80s. And then tomorrow, partly cloudy. We do have that chance of showers and storms around, especially early in the morning. And then maybe a few storms redevelop in the afternoon. And high temperatures, a couple of degrees cooler, upper 90s to about 103. As we go to Friday, that aforementioned low off the west coast of Mexico moves northward towards Southern California. And the flow aloft here across western and central Arizona turns more out of the south or southwest. And so that might limit the number of showers and storms that get in here. Now, we can't completely rule out some storms for Friday or Friday night, but we've bumped the rain chance down to 20%. And this should be probably the quietest day that we see weather-wise here for the forecast period. High temperatures may warm up a degree or two with drier air coming in as well, back toward around 100 to 105. But then as we go to Saturday, that low is out of here, and we are now dominated by ridging off to the east across the plain states. Deeper southeasterly flow develops once more, and we see these easterly waves or disturbances coming in here. One such distinct disturbance approaching us by Saturday night and Sunday. So scattered showers and thunderstorms for Saturday, then scattered to numerous showers and storms on Sunday. This is probably our best chance at seeing rain during the period. And high temperatures should back off probably more toward the upper 90s to around 103 for both days, especially Sunday might actually turn out to be an even cooler day if we get more clouds and precipitation. We'll just have to see. Moving on to Monday, active weather expected to continue. Now, of course, if Sunday turns out to be more active, Monday might be less so, and we could be left in kind of a cloudy, soupy air mass with occasional showers and storms, but that remains to be seen. Then, of course, as is the seesaw with the monsoon, if Monday is less active, Tuesday would be more so, especially if this run of the GFS is accurate. It shows another distinct area of low pressure coming in here for numerous showers and thunderstorms, and again, the potential of locally heavy rain. But we're not going to know about these features and how things play out until we get closer to the event. We start to get in range of our convective allowing models so we can see the mesoscale features, because that really determines what happens during our monsoon. These synoptic maps are nice and all, but they don't tell all of the story. They only tell a piece of it. They give you the broad view. We like to look at what happens at the mesoscale, the small scale level, to see how chances of showers and storms will evolve. But for now, we'll just keep that broad-brushed 40% chance of rain in the forecast and high temperatures remaining below average. Now, here's a week from today, Wednesday, the 10th of August. No real changes in the overall weather pattern. High pressure remains well off to the north and east of us. A deep east to southeasterly flow continues. Disturbances rotate around that, scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms. They will favor the afternoon and evening hours, however, and high temperatures remaining below normal. Then, as we look out 10 days, this is Friday, the 12th, and kind of interesting here, high pressure off to the east, a southerly, maybe southeasterly flow in place. And we do have a tropical system depicted by the GFS sneaking up the west coast of Mexico or just off the west coast of Mexico. And that could inject some additional moisture into the flow if we see more of a southwesterly wind develop. We'll just have to see how things play out. Of course, this is 10 days away, and I guarantee you things will change between now and then. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, this is going out through the 17th of August, coming off of the GFS ensemble. The mean is up around 1.5 inches, denoting that we do expect active weather to continue through mid-month. And temperatures off the national blend of models on most days. High temperatures are expected to be just a skosh, a tish, a pinch below climatological averages. Those are very scientific and advanced meteorological terms, but I'll break that down for you. Temperatures generally 1 to 5 degrees below normal each and every day. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, suggestions. And music fans, check it out. Available 24/7, 365. It's that streaming station that's just like garlic fries, a delicious burger, or donuts. You just can't get enough of it. And I know somebody's going to message me and say, "Oh, God, I don't like any of those things, the carbs and all this sweets with the bloating and the gas. Oy." All right, fine. For you, it's the Cobb salad of streaming stations. Yeah, it's called KMGX. We play a ton of music, have a lot of fun while doing that. It's myself and the one and only Michelle involved in the programming and operation of that station. By the way, Cobb salads are amazing as well. So do check it out. I leave a link to that in the description. No, not a link to Cobb salads, a link to the streaming station. So yeah, give it a listen. All right. Thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support. It is greatly appreciated. Not exactly sure how food keeps making its way into the outro of these videos, but it does. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. All right, you guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there, and have yourselves an absolutely amazing Wednesday.